In this video, I'm going to show you 3 very common English mistakes and talk about how to fix them. The first one is using the phrase to agree with something or somebody incorrectly. So sometimes it is correct to say agree with. I agree with you. Do you agree with me? That's correct. To agree with somebody means that you have the same opinion. You have the same views. So I agree with you means that I believe the same thing as you. I have the same opinion. But sometimes you shouldn't use with. Sometimes you need to agree to something. The meaning is very different. To agree to something means that you want to accept something that somebody offered or suggested. They agreed to the deal, so they decided to accept the deal that was suggested. So it's nothing to do with having the same views. Remember, to agree with means you have the same views, the same opinion, and to agree to is to accept something like an offer or a suggestion. The next mistake is to do with the phrase to look forward to something. I see this mistake all the time. I look forward to see you. That's actually incorrect. To look forward to goes with a gerund. So a verb with ing at the end. I look forward to seeing you. Many English learners get confused because when they see I look forward to, they think the to is part of an infinitive, like to see, to go, to do, but actually it is not. To look forward to something goes with a gerund. I look forward to seeing you. I look forward to going for a walk. I look forward to having lunch together. And the final mistake is to do with the word less. I always see this mistake, less people. That's actually incorrect. Less is for uncountable nouns. An uncountable noun is something you can't count. For example, water, information, noise. These are uncountable nouns. So we use less with them. Less water, less information, less noise. But when you're talking about a countable noun, so something you can count, like books, houses, opinions, you need fewer instead. Fewer books, fewer houses, fewer cars, and people, because people is a countable noun, even though it doesn't have an S at the end. So there were fewer people at the party, not less. I also want to give you a bonus tip, few and little. So when you say a few, it means that there were several of something. For example, there were a few people at the party. So there were several people there. But when you say few without a, it means not many, which is quite a negative meaning. There were few people at the party, so not many at all. The same applies to little. There was a little information there, so there was some information. But when you say little, it means not much, and it does have quite a negative meaning. So there was little information. There wasn't much. I hope you found this video useful. Tell me one thing you've learned from it in the comments. And don't forget to download your free English grammar booklet from the video description. And I'll see you next time. Bye!